Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account. Open My Account. Google.com or the Google app so you control account settings immediately. Once signed in, make sure location services and Wi-Fi are enabled on your device because Google uses those signals to validate addresses. Next, gather the exact street, city, and ZIP code you want to use. Accuracy prevents verification delays. If updating a business, prepare ownership info. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to the location or map settings to edit your address. You navigate to Google Maps and locate your place by searching or long pressing to drop a pin. This makes your edit precise. Once the place is selected, choose Edit or Suggest an Edit. For businesses, use Google Business Profile to access verification options. Then enter the new address fields and drag the map pin so the marker matches the driveway or building entrance. This reduces mismatches. Include suite numbers or entry instructions to help delivery and verification. After confirming details, submit the change for Google to process. You submit the updated location and immediately monitor your email and Google notifications because Google may request verification. If the edit is flagged, provide supporting photos, a business owner verification postcard, or official documents to prove the address. This speeds approval. Make sure to follow any instructions precisely and wait 24 to 72 hours for changes to appear. If you don't see the update, clear your browser or Maps cache and reload. And if problems persist, resubmit with clearer evidence or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.